In this video, I'll show you where to find promo codes for Oculus Quest 2. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. All right, I'm going to open up any web browser and head on over to Google. And now inside the Google search bar, I'm going to type in promo code for Oculus Quest 2. This works for Oculus Quest 3 as well, but for this video, I'm going to do number 2. Now I'm going to click search. And now when I scroll down, you can see different third-party sites like Coupon Follow, We Thrift It. You can even check out Reddit for promo codes. You got coupons.com. So any one of these third-party sites will work. So just click on the one you want to use. But one I like to use is couponfollow.com, 40% off. So I'm at Coupon Follow's website. So if I scroll down, you can see all the different deals they have got going on. You can see the ones that they've previously featured, offers and deals as well. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on the one that is get 40% off instantly. So you got a code here, or I can click on the save 26% off VR games. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do the 40% one. And now I'm going to click on copy and then paste this code at the checkout section of Oculus Quest 2 to receive 40% off instantly. Or alternatively, you can click on redeem at Oculus and get that 40% automatically applied to your order.